Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the application of bioinformatics and we will discuss about the bioinformatics. Roughly, the bioinformatics describe any use of computer to handle biological information. In practice, the definition used by the most people in the now over bioinformatics to them is a synonym for the computational molecular biology, the use of the computer to characterize to molecular components of the living things. The mathematical, statistical, and the computing method that aim to solve biological problem using DNA, amino acid, and the relative information. There are other field of the example, medical imaging, image analysis with the might considered part of the bioinformatics. There are also a whole other discipline of the biologically inspired computational genetics algorithm. Bioinformatics refer to the database like activities involving persistent set of the data and the maintain in the consistent state over the essentially indefined periods of the time. Computational biology encompasses the use of the algorithm tool to the facilitate biological analysis by bioinformatics is currently defined as a study to information, content, and the information flow in the biological system and the process. It has evolved to serve as a bridge between observation and the diverse biological related disciplines and the derivations of the application. A more pragmatic definition in case of the disease is the understanding dissection, diagnostics, and the subsequent application of the knowledge and the therapeutic position. NCBI, the National Center of Biotechnological Information, defines bioinformatics as a field of the science in which biology, computer science, and the information technology merge into a single discipline. There are three important subdisciplines, which is bioinformatics, the development of the new algorithm, and the statistics, with which are assess relationship among member of the large data sets. The analysis of the interpretation of the various types of the data, including nucleotides, amino acids, sequence, protein domains, protein structure, and the development and the implementation of the tools. Bioinformatics is the definition of different field of related to the bioinformatics, like in a computational biologists interest themselves more than in evolutionary population theoretically biology rather than the cell molecular medicine. In genomics field, which existed before the completion of the sequence of the genome but the crudest of the form, for example referred estimation to 1 lakh genes in the human genome derived from the famous species of the work of the envelope. Genomics guesses the weight of the chromosome and the destiny of the gene by the in a proteomics. The protein complement of the genome and the proteomics to be concerned with the qualitative and the quantitative study of the gene expression. In a medical, bioinformatics formed biomedical informatics is the emerging discipline that has been defined as the study, invention, and the implementation of the structure and the algorithm to improve communication, understanding, and the management of medical information. Medical information is the more concerned with the structure, algorithm, and the manipulation of the medical data. Now we will discuss about the history of the bioinformatics. Over a century ago, bioinformatics history started with the Austrian monk named George Mendel. He is known the father of genetics. He cross-fertilized different colors of the same species of the color. He kept careful record of the colors of the flower that is cross-fertilized and the color of the flower that produced. Mendel that the inheritance of the train could be more easily exampled in this control by the factor passed by the generation to generation. Since Mendel, bioinformatics and the genetic records keeping have come a long way, the understanding of the genetics had advanced remarkable in the last 30 years. In 1972, Paul Berg made a first recombinant DNA molecule using ligase. In the same year, Stanley Cohn, Chang Herbert produced the first recombinant DNA organism. By 1981, 579 human genes have been mapped under mapping by in situ hybridization. And in 1991, Human Genome Project also came And bioinformatics was fueled by the need to create huge database such as a gene bank, EMBL, DDBJ, DNA sequence data interpreting from the human genome and other genome sequencing projects. Origin of the internet, the management and the more importantly accessibility of the data is directly attributed to the development of the internet, particularly the more World Wide Web, which is called WWW, originally developed from the military purpose in the 60s and expanded by the National Science Foundation in the 80s. Scientifically, use of the internet grew dramatically following the release of the WWW by the second in the 1992. HTML, Java, XML, Corba, Rosetta. So these are the origin of the internets. So this is all about the bioinformatics. Thank you.